Welcome to Bike Future Hub, where we explore the latest and greatest in the world of two-wheelers. Today, we dive into the 2025 BMW G310G, the ultimate entry-level adventure bike that promises to take you anywhere, anytime. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 G302Gs is its bold and dynamic design. BMW has taken the classic GS styling and given it a modern twist. The aggressive front beak, sleek LED headlamp, and sharp bodywork scream adventure. And let's not forget the iconic GS logo on the tank, a badge of honor for any adventurer. This year, BMW offers new color schemes, including the striking triple black and rally red. These aren't just colors, they're
Under the
statements. The G310GS is powered by a 313cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. It churns out 34 horsepower at 9,500 RPM and 28 Nm of torque at 7,500 RPM. The engine is now Euro 5 compliant, ensuring better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. On the road, the engine feels peppy and responsive, perfect for city commutes. But where the G310GS really shines is off-road. Thanks to its 19-inch front wheel, 108-inch suspension travel, and dual-purpose Metzeler tires, this bike handles dirt tracks and rocky trails with ease. Comfort is key for any adventure bike, and BMW knows it. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and a well-padded seat make long rides a breeze. The seat height is adjustable, catering to riders of different heights, a big plus for an entry-level ADV. Ride-by-wire technology ensures smooth throttle response, while the optional smartphone connectivity lets you navigate and control music without taking your hands off the handlebars. What makes the G310G stand out in the crowded ADV market? It's the perfect balance of performance, comfort, and affordability. Priced competitively, it brings BMW's premium adventure DNA to a wider audience. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for a lightweight adventure bike or a beginner stepping into the ADV world, the 2025 BMW G310GES is a strong contender. That's our take on the 2025 BMW G310GS. What do you think? Is it the adventure bike you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Future Hub for more reviews and insights from the world of motorcycles. Until next time, ride safe and ride free.